defining methods. So next topic is defining methods. See, so every method also has some syntax, like access specifier, there it was, here also it is there. Access specifier, modifier, everything is there. Method name, method name, but another is there inside the, there is a, in which method you have a parenthesis pair. Inside the parenthesis some parameters you can give. So parameter list. And a method also, another thing, a return type is there. A return type is also required in method, which can be void or non-void. Whether it is a method or a variable, so anything can have 4 access specifiers. Access specifier, access modifier, what you can call whatever. Public, private, protected, default. Public member can be used in any class. Private member can be used only in that class. Protected member can be used in the subclass, also in the same package. Default means where you are not putting anything, any access specifier, that is default, that can be used only in the same package. What do you mean by package? I am telling you about the package means the class, many number of classes can have one package. The package statement must be there on top of them. Package XY. Package XY will be there, or anything, package X, any name, that must be there in those classes. Then they will be coming under one package. So package is nothing but a folder like, and so they are the package classes. Okay. So what is the next topic then? That is over. Controlling access to the members of a class. Objects as instances of class. So you have a class means you will create object. Only the driver class, you may not create object. Driver class is the class having the main method. Driver class is the class that has the main method. So you may not create the object of this. So sometimes we are writing the driver class name is other, class other. But in the main function of this class other, you are creating the other, creating the objects of student or whatever class. Okay. So here you can see a city class object is created. City, Metro 1, Metro 2. Until now it is declaration. Object is not created. City, Metro 1, comma Metro 2. Then until now it is simply the declaration. When object will be created? The next statement object will be created when you will write Metro 1 is equal to new city function. If you are doing it for metro 1 but you are not doing for metro 2, that means for metro 1 object is there, for metro 2 object is not there. Okay. So new command, new statement helps to create the object. And then what is the next topic? Instance variable and methods. Okay. Once you have created the object, suppose metro 1, for metro 1 you have created the object, then you can write metro 1 dot city, because city, sorry, not city, metro 1 dot name, metro 1 dot population, these are the attributes. Or you can call metro 1 dot methods, any method you can call of the city class. Okay. So